Welcome to DPV. It is about 150 degrees inside the Total Mayhem shop. We are working on my wife's 2019 Highlander. On our recent family vacation, we went through a windstorm and it knocked off all of those lower pieces. So I'm with Tyler and head fabricator, lead design of Total Mayhem Racing. And we are gonna, this was Tyler's idea, but then I told Tyler we have like 2 days. And so it's not gonna look exactly like this. It's gonna look real close. Tyler likes to dream big. Yeah, we're gonna come up with just like an aluminum front shield up here. We're first gonna do it very precisely on some CAD or computer aided design here. And then we will lay it out on a big sheet, cut it, fold it, slap it on.
Make all of our templates, and then we'll draw our templates up in CAD, cut it out in aluminum.
In CAD?
Yeah.
You mean more cardboard aided design?
No, we'll get all of our measurements and make the templates out of
cardboard. Oh.
Then we'll transfer it into CAD.
We'll actually use actual CAD?
Yeah.
That seems...
We'll plasma.
So Tyler's made a ton of measurements, way more than I would have taken. We've now made one big piece of paper. We're going to transfer numbers from little paper to big paper. Then we'll cut it out.
So this beautiful drawing is all the measurements that'll CAD in to make this front plate, and then come back, and then bend back, and then bend underneath to make the skid plate. So underneath, these are where these lines are where all our bends will be. So we'll cut all this out as one piece, plus we'll cut those out. Imagine the holes are all there. But we're gonna cut out this entire structure first, and then we'll center and do all of our holes.
Yeah, but let's see it on big paper. All right, we'll be right back. Where we see how good Tyler is at math and the measuring of things. Probably good out of paper. Probably don't even need, made out of aluminum. Be fine.
Straight all as one piece.
Sweet. So this gives me a little bit of skid plate-ish action. Oh yeah, no, that looks way easier and simpler than what my idea was and how it was built in my brain.
And then I would say, because of how fast you need it done, just have it be holes for now for your trip.
Yeah.
And then later on we'll go and weld mesh on the back.
Yeah.
To protect it. So then up here we'll just do 4 tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll tap into your aluminum crash bar.
Yeah.
So if you have 4 there, 2 down below, it'll be rock solid, and then we can
put a little extra tab on that. If we added just an inch to the end of in the center of this, we just added an inch that could be bent over. Oh, it doesn't even, there's not even an inch there. Huh, all right.
But you can, once you have that and it's all mounted, you can weld any kind of bracket you want.
You want on the back side there, yeah.
On the back side to strengthen that.
Template, and some more drawings. All the smart people math on the back there. And we're gonna run a gateway and see if they can get this cut out for us today. Yeah, we'll be right back. Took a little longer, but we had our local metal supply place cut out my aluminum. It looks good. This is gonna sit right up like here-ish.
We'll make a mesh insert that will...
Eventually, yeah, we'll make a... This will be like shadow boxed. Oh, you can't see it. These pieces will be shadow boxed, and there'll be a little mesh insert to kind of give it some rigidity, and then that'll be that. But it's just gonna mount to the bottom of the core support here, and then we're gonna the bumper is gonna on the bottom side of like the aluminum bumper, we're gonna put some rivets. Mr. Total Mayhem Racing is over there getting set up. I don't know what he's doing. But we will weld some tabs on this bad boy and get them mounted up.
Ground.
Oh yeah, probably gonna need that, eh? Just want here on your table?
For aluminum, we might need it on the... I'll try it.
It's walking this up really high.
What?
You'll be able to like regrind this, won't you?
What's that?
You'll be able to save that, won't you?
Yes, I'll have to cut it in half.
Oh.
I'll have to cut the tip off.
What do you want? So I'm gonna cut some tabs out of this aluminum. We'll figure out where they mount on the... Show you this real quick.
It's just cold, so you don't have to get any
I mean, imagine it without the jack into place, but yeah, and with a little mesh behind there. Not gonna need the mesh before the trip, but it'll be 3 or 5 bolts that'll come off and we can remesh it. So, all right, let's cook these tabs up. All right, not bumpers, not skid plate, front diffuser, I don't know what we're calling this thing yet. Lower grill. The aluminum piece is on the bench now. We have busted out our aluminum magnets, which is just a regular magnet with aluminum shims in it. And now Tyler is going to lay a beautiful weld. Speaking into existence.
What?
I said Tyler's going to lay the prettiest weld you've ever seen. You speak it into existence and it happens, right? That's right? You gotta manifest it. Tyler doesn't weld a lot of aluminum, but really the top only has to hold in like a little bit of weight. It's the bottom that's gonna be doing the heavy lifting. We'll tack these bad boys on. Oh, that's hot.
Oh yeah.
Don't touch it. It's hot.
So, I'm just gonna get it good.
That's not good.
Solid tack. Maybe let fucking Ricky weld it, man.
Is Ricky working today?
I don't know. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah. Look at that.
We got a good one? Look at, oh, look at that one. Don't look at any other ones. Look at that. Just look at that one. We got her down there now. Now we're cooking with gas, as they say in the biz.
Yep.
A lot of gas.
A lot of gas.
All right. Technical difficulties with the welder. We were a little too close. Not a welder, but apparently TIG welding. You want to be a little farther away from your equipment. And don't use magnets.
Yeah, so I don't weld a lot of aluminum. I have a few times, and I've been fortunate enough that Ricky, who also races with Total Mayhem, is a really good aluminum welder. So every time I've done it, he's really taught me. So I had everything set up good, I thought, and went to weld, and it looked like duty. And I made sure the surface was clean, used a stainless steel brush, used acetone to wipe it off, grinded everything. And so what I was doing is I had the machine sitting right next to where we were welding. And then I was also using the magnets to hold these tabs in place where we tacked them on.
We got special aluminum magnets.
Yeah.
We were just using them as a brace. You saw that. But
Yeah, just using it as a brace against the table. So the magnets and the machine being so close, because in AC it's alternating current, it was just disrupting it that much.
Yeah. Instead of a nice wave line, we had
Yeah, and I had everything really dialed that, yeah, he moved the machine away and pulled the magnet away and had me just hold it while he talked it. And I was like, yeah.
So those should hold.
And it was like a deal, you know, he got off work after a long day and was just stopping by real quick to throw these on for me. So it's the inside top. They're great welds, and it looks just fine. But I mean, Ricky does, like, might as well be art.
Check out Ricky Siebler's stuff down below. We'll put a link for him for his Instagram or something.
Really good welder. And so
yeah.
He was like, "How much time do you want me to spend on these?" I was like, "Oh, dude, they're just tabs. I just need them thrown on."
3 minutes.
It still looks good, yeah.
All right, so let's we're gonna drill some holes in these. 1, 2, 3, and then we'll mount it up. And Zeke's gonna do some filling. Get it running. So the tabs on the bumper, Ricky welded on. Oh, went to the wrong side. Tyler has drilled some holes in the bottom of the crash bar, and then we've inserted some rivets. It's always a good arm workout, rivets.
And you need to do it.
But Tyler's got it.
No, I want you to do the one.
Tyler does it perfect, and I get him sideways because I don't know.
Tyler sets it up, and then you just do it.
Super easy way to get your bumper on. What you do is you go to your buddy's house, have him do all the work. You stand behind the camera. Works out flawlessly.
Actually, you're supposed to be working too.
Oh.
I do this.
Okay. I'm on cleanup.
Should we hit some rocks?
Yeah, let's see, get into the thick country, get in the brush, see what we can do. Eventually when I have time, because, you know, we leave in 4 days for 5,000 miles, I'm gonna come back behind here and recess some mesh. I'll have Ricky weld this all up, probably hit it with a DA and get it all perfect, but with how it is right now, like, very functional, very solid. I think that's gonna be the Zeke thumbs up of approval. Sweet.
I dig it.
I dig it. Thanks, Tyler.
Yes.
Thanks a lot. Big thanks again to Tyler Boland of Total Mayhem Racing. If you want to see what he's up to, you know, rebuilding the trophy truck, you can check out his channel below. Also, big thanks again to Ricky Siebler. Sieber? I'm not gonna pronounce that right. Silver. Yeah. Anyways, he does race stuff, and if you're in the Northwest and you need some custom race stuff built, hit him up. He builds everything. We got merch, shirts, hats. Hit us up. Wheel it, wreck it, wrench it, repeat. Until next time. Thanks again. Bye.